Hello, dear lovely viewers. Good day to you all. You're welcome to today's class. So today we shall continue from where we stopped in the last class. We shall be looking at 2022 past question. We stopped at question 10 in the last class. Today we shall look at question 11 and 12. So let's begin. Question 11 says, three boys shared $10,500 C in the ratio of 6:7:8. So we are asked to find the largest share. We have four options here. We have to solve and find which of these option is the correct answer. So all we need to do is to bring out the ratios, which is ratio 6, ratio 7, and ratio 8. So we sum up, that means we add up these ratios. So we use a punch our calculator. 6 plus 7 plus 8 gives us 21. So 21 is the total ratio. Okay. However, the question is asking us to find the largest share. Okay. There are three boys. The first boy has a share of 6. The second boy has a share of 7, while the third boy has a share of 8. So from the ratios, we can see that the highest ratio here is 8, right? So the third boy has the highest ratio. So for us to find the largest share, that is, since his ratio is having a ratio of 8, how much is he getting from this $10,500 C? Okay, so it's going to be the ratio of the largest ratio, which is 8, all over the total number of the ratios, which is 21, times the total amount of money, which is $10,500 C. So from here, all we need to do is to punch our calculator. We can solve by saying 8 times 10,500. This gives us 84,000, and we divide this by the 21, which is the total ratio, and this gives us 4,000. So the final answer is $4,000 C. So looking at the options, $4,000 C is option A, and option A is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next question, which is question 12. The question says, the length of a piece of stick is 1.75 meter. That's the length of the stick is 1.75 meter. It is said that a boy measured it as 1.80. So we have to find the percentage error. So looking at this question, we can see that there is an error in the measurement, right? Because the real measurement ought to be what? Is 1.75 meter. 1.75 meter. However, the wrong measurement which the boy measured is 1.80 meter. So the questioner is asking us to find the percentage error. This is simple and straightforward. All we need to do to calculate this is to say it's going to be the absolute value of the real measurement minus the wrong measurement. So this is the absolute value all over the real measurement times 100%. Okay, so this is equal to the real measurement. We have it as, so the absolute value of 1.75 minus the wrong measurement, which is 1.80. So we're taking the absolute value of this all over the real measurement, which is 1.75 times 100%. So let's punch the calculator. 1.75 minus 1.80 gives us minus 0.05. However, we are taking the absolute value, right? All over 1.75 times 100. Okay, so when we're taking the absolute value, it means we're going to ignore the 0. So the absolute value still is, so here we're going to have 0.05 all over 1.75 times 100%. So at this point, all we need to do is to punch the calculator by dividing 0.05 by 1.75 and then multiplying our answer by 100. So we have our answer. As you can see from the option is given in mixed number, okay, not in decimal points. So since our the options are given in mixed number, so the correct option here is 2 whole number 6 all over 7%. So looking at the options given, the correct option is option B. 2 whole number 6 over 7% is the percentage error made by the boy in calculating the length of the stick. So viewers, as you can see, the first question here, which is question 11, is under a topic called ratio, while the second question, question 12, is a question under the topic called percentage error, and hope you have learned something new today. Thank you for watching, my dear lovely viewers, as we continue solving to question 60. See you in our next class. Bye for now. God bless you.